Hello, friends, and welcome to our 1000 Below collaboration for July. So, this month, our guest artist is Jessica Winterstom Art. And she has given us a challenge to use any colors we want, any technique with the codicil that we have to blow out the paint. Well, that was right up my alley because I love blowing out paint. And I use this little blower. So before me was Adrian and Corey. This is their first time with the 1000 Below collaboration. So please show them some love, leave some comments, cheer them on, which you probably already did. And after me is Kim from Kim's Creations. So please follow along. There'll be a playlist listed in my description. And I think that's pretty much it. But anyway, so let's get down to the canvas, have some fun, and blow some color. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today. It was a lot of fun, and I think it came out pretty well. Very different. Wasn't sure if the colors would go, but I think they did. So I would appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not. That will really help me a great deal. And the whole point of this group is for those of us who are under 1,000 subscribers to help boost us up and get some more. So share with your friends and share with everybody, and that would be great. We all would appreciate it. Next up is Kim's Creation. So thank you, and remember, keep your sparkle on and give it to someone you love. Bye-bye.